Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today we want to teach you how to use the Perspective tool, and from this Perspective tool you will learn how to make transparency. Look at the perspective nature of this. This is an image. You can extract this particular image like this to become this. So right now we can make your image. We want to extract this particular image to this point to form this particular image, to bring it out to look very bold, and to adjust it to the point that you can see clearly. So right now, without no waste of time, let's clear this entire, then let's dive in straight, clear it off. Let's clear our errors. Then right now, let's dive in. Let's try to extract this from here. You come here using this your perspective tool. Make sure your perspective tool is on. You click on it, dive it in like this. Readjust. Yes, you readjust like this. Readjust like this. Just like this. Click enter and then click Ctrl+0 to see it like this. So you see the extraction comes out very nice, very subtle. Let's go over again. I think if you miss any step, you can follow me throughout the video. Let's undo. Let me undo. Then I'll still bring in the other image for you to see. So now for the second round, we'll be using this particular image, so that the moment I think this will come out better. And then don't forget, you click on your perspective. Look at it here. This is the perspective. You click on it. So once you click on that, remember to come back. And then this is the image we have zoomed in like that. Then from there you draw it to this point, drag it in. So make your readjustments. Let's zoom in. It's not yet done. I think let's zoom in a bit, and then let's try to readjust it to your best fit. You adjust like this and then press enter. Press Ctrl+0 and you see the outfit. Look at how beautiful it is, and look at how now we can use it. You can even print it out. You can even post it on your social media. It comes out better. This is how you can extract it. So thank you, and if you love more tutorial like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.